Hey there, happy Sunday everybody. This is Destry Johnson, Berkshire Hathaway. Yes, even though it's 97 degrees here in Temecula today, I felt it was necessary to get out here, hold this house open today because I don't think you want to miss it. This is at 43810 Villa del Sur in Temecula, Los Ranchitos. Best buy in the entire area, 2.5 acres, 3-bedroom, 2-bath main house, 1-bedroom, 1-bath guest house, pool, barn. I think I said 2.5 acres already. 872.5. Smoking deal. Let's take a quick look. So coming in the entry, you can see through here. Got some nice built-ins, fireplace. Here we are in the great room area, which sets up to the kitchen here perfectly. You get the nice bar area, granite counters, nice white cabinets. Nice appliance package. And looky there, there's that pool. Dining area there. No, sorry, the wine fridge doesn't stay. All right, let's go check out that fabulous pool. Pool area was fully remodeled this year. It's fantastic, isn't it? Got the waterfalls. Got the fire pit. By the way, check it out. See the solar? That's right. Whole house solar paid for. That's how you keep this pool all running all summer. It costs you nothing. Pretty awesome. Let's go check out the barn area. You can see we got a fenced-in yard area here behind the house. And then over here we have guest house. And then we got the barn. Check it out. Lots of space. 5 stalls, tack room. So either keep all your animals, your toys, whatever. Plus you've got all the acreage down here. Lots of fencing, turnouts, lots of space.